After your 2022 attempt and when you went to the foundation course in LBSNAA,
Yes.
you ended up becoming the best officer of that entire batch, and you were awarded, rewarded for the same thing. First of all, it's a great achievement in that entire batch. So I'd like to congratulate you on that part
Thank you
as
so
well,
much,
because
sir.
I never got an opportunity to tell you that, and I was proud of your achievement as well. How important is the kind of human relations that you have developed and the way your personality was shaped, whether it is family, friends, education, your peer group? It's not just about books. You cannot be a bookworm to be the best officer trainee, because this country is dealt with, you know, dealt by bureaucrats who solve people's problems on a day-to-day basis, and it's not always logic and knowledge that can solve human problems. We need to have that sense of emotional resilience and emotional intelligence as well. And the very fact that you got that award speaks volumes about what you have picked up from various walks of your life. So, what is your advice to a lot of students who give up all their hobbies? They tend to become bookworms, probably, bury themselves amidst all those books in the streets of war in Delhi or Ashok Nagar in Hyderabad, without any sense of attachment to the society around them. Sometimes it becomes borderline, very depressing. What is your advice to those kind of aspirants? What is your journey about, and what did it teach you?
So, to be very honest, in my first two attempts, I was also a similar kind of an aspirant where I really gave all my time to the exam. Like I did not pursue any hobby during that time, or very little interaction like with my friends. Also, not much of a social life. While I do agree that to some extent a certain kind of unwavering focus is required for this exam, that doesn't mean that you should totally cut yourself off from other aspects of life, like hobbies or otherwise, interaction with friends. In fact, contrary to what we think, these kind of things actually make your journey easier. It helps you to keep going. If you have some hobby which you genuinely enjoy, if you can give some time to it, or if you have friends with whom you take out time to interact with, it actually makes your journey easier. So I think that that is a mistake I made in my first two attempts, which I tried to address it in my third attempt, because in my third attempt I was having a job. I was preparing for the exam, but despite that, I would still find some time to do other things which I enjoy. Like, for example, like like to watch movies. So if there is some Telugu movie which released in theaters, in my first two attempts, I would not even consider going for it. But in my third attempt, I would go for it if I felt like it. So these kind of small things which help you refresh, which help you get a broader perspective of things, I think that is helpful to keep going. And with respect to the medal, sir, I think again I was not working towards it. All I wanted to do when I went to Labasna was I want to participate in everything. That even if I'm not very good at dancing, I went and participated, because I thought I'll not get an opportunity like this again to participate in these kind of events. So I went all out, no fear of judgment. So I participated in singing, dancing, hosting events, quiz, etc. And fortunately, I was recognized for that. So that was the journey of that medal.